Hello, my dear friends. This is Friba from the Watch Knitting YouTube channel. Today, I have brought you a new pattern that is not only very easy but also super useful. As you can see, it looks like clusters of little lilac flowers with the stitches locking together in Y-shaped lines. The repeat is simple, cast on a multiple of 4 stitches plus 3, and the whole pattern works over just 4 rows. On the wrong side, you'll simply purl across, which makes it even easier to follow. With the little tips and clues I gave you, you will have no trouble mastering it. For my sample, I have cast on 15 stitches using worsted weight yarn with 2mm needles. The smaller needle helps make the lines more defined and crisp. If you would like to knit along, go ahead and cast on your stitches and let's start together. Let's start right from the first row. You don't need any extra foundation stitches. Once you have cast on, you can jump straight on into the pattern. For the edge stitches, I always pick up the first stitch knitwise and knit the last stitch. But here on the very first row, instead of slipping that first edge stitch, I'm actually knitting it. Okay, that's our edge stitch. Now let's begin with row 1. For the next 4 stitches, we're gonna start by knitting the first stitch. Then for the next 2 stitches, I will twist them by inserting the right needle knitwise into the third stitch and then into the second stitch and slipping both to the right needle. Then I place them back on the left needle. Now they are twisted now. Next, I will knit 3 stitches in the line, the 2 stitches of twisted and the 4th stitch. I'm gonna knit 3 together. So here are 3 stitches all together. I make a yarn over and then knit one more time into the same stitches. We are basically making 3 stitches out of 3 stitches. And we repeat again, knit 1, twist the next 2 stitches. I loosen them a little bit, twist, and then knit 3 together. And make sure you are knitting 3 stitches. And I'm knitting through the back loop. Okay, I have to redo this stitch one more time here. Okay, this is my first stitch and twist. And then knit 3 together through the back loop, yarn over, knit one more time. And again, knit 1, twist, knit 3 together, yarn over, knit one more time. At the end of the row, you're gonna have 1 knit stitch to make it symmetrical and then knitting the edge stitch. Now row 2 it's simply purling across. I love these patterns that the wrong side rows are purled across. That makes everything easier. You catch and remember the pattern much easier. Okay, I finished row 2. Now we're gonna offset the previous pattern. The pattern first section is already done. Now we're gonna offset. I pick up my edge stitch and then show it to you. You see one pattern here. So we have 3 stitches that work in a group. Next, there is one knit stitch between the 2 patterns right here. I'm gonna make the same pattern on top of this stitch. That will be my center stitch there. So these 3 stitches will be knit together. And then before that, we're gonna have one knit stitch. And then if you go back, you have 2 stitches. Because there are not enough, we're gonna knit those stitches at the beginning. And then I will, after my edge stitch, I will have 3 knit stitches for this row, which is row 3. And then I repeat my pattern one more time, swapping stitch number 2 and 3, and knitting 3 together, yarn over, and knit 3 together again. One more time, last repeat in this row, knit 1, swap stitch number 2 and 3, place back, knit 3 together, yarn over, and knit one more time. And at the end of this row again, I have 3 knit stitches. So next row, we're gonna purl everything, and that will be my final row of the repeat. You're gonna start over from row 1. And that's it. The fabric comes out nice and chunky with a bit of weight. Perfect for cozy scarves, blankets, or even decorative cushions. When you're done, just give a piece a light steam, and the texture really pops then. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'm always looking for easy design like this one, and I've got some more advanced ones planned too. Thanks so much for watching and supporting my work, and I hope you are having a wonderful day.